This 6-loop bow is the perfect bow for adorning a wreath. Decide how wide you want your bow to be and make 1 loop that desired diameter. Now wrap around that loop 2 more times so that you have 3 loops total. For your ribbon tails, fold a piece of ribbon in half, just longer than your desired finished length, and cut it. Let's go ahead and pinch the center of the bow. Now pinch the center of your folded ribbon tails. You'll want to use a piece of pipe cleaner or a piece of wire to secure everything together really tightly. For the center of the bow, take a shorter piece of ribbon and tie a loose knot in the middle. Wrap it around the center of the loops and through the tails. Secure the knot with glue and trim the ribbon. Working on one side of the bow, you'll want to pull out the innermost loop and pull it over to one side. Next, pull out the next innermost loop and pull it to the other side. Now we can fluff and adjust your loops until you're happy with the look. Like and follow if you want to learn how to make another bow tutorial.